You've been carrying so much, haven't you? The expectations, the bills, the constant push to be more, do more, prove more. And tonight, your body is whispering, please let me rest. You've worked hard. You've worried enough. The world can wait for your light. It's time to refill it. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold it. And exhale every ounce of tension that's been gripping your chest. You don't have to figure it all out tonight. You are safe here. You are loved here. You are allowed to stop fighting for just a moment and simply be. Maybe money has felt heavy lately. Maybe you've wondered if success is for other people, not you. That story ends tonight. You are not behind. You are not blocked. You are simply shifting into alignment with what has always belonged to you. Breathe in forgiveness for every moment you doubted yourself. Breathe out the old belief that you must struggle to be worthy. Whisper gently to yourself, I am learning to trust that money loves me. I am safe to receive. I am enough exactly as I am. You've carried invisible battles, comparison, guilt, and exhaustion. But your worth was never something you had to earn. It's been written in golden light since the day you were born. Feel that truth warming your chest. You are not late. You are not too much. You are divinely timed. Repeat softly. I am proud of the person I am becoming. My energy is valuable. I attract opportunities that honor my worth. Every inhale strengthens your light. Every exhale releases another layer of doubt. You've been carrying it all alone, haven't you? The plans, the pressure, the endless thinking. Tonight, you don't have to. There is a divine intelligence already working in your favor. It's rearranging people, timing, and miracles behind the scenes. Whisper in your heart, I don't chase, I attract. Everything meant for me flows toward me effortlessly. Feel a golden wind swirl around you, like invisible hands guiding your path. You are not doing this by yourself anymore. Now picture golden light streaming into your mind. It washes away the voice that says, money is hard, and replaces it with truth. I am worthy of wealth. I am a magnet for abundance. My gifts create prosperity. See yourself standing tall in golden light. Success doesn't intimidate you. It feels natural, like breathing. You don't need permission anymore. You are the permission. Every word you speak tonight is a seed of wealth, taking root in your subconscious. Let yourself float now. You're surrounded by golden clouds drifting through an endless night sky. You feel light, peaceful, limitless. Every dream tonight aligns you with new possibilities. You'll wake tomorrow to inspired ideas, divine connection, and perfect timing. Whisper gently as you drift. Even in my sleep, I am attracting miracles. My wealth multiplies while I rest. I am grateful. I am free. I am divine abundance. Now golden light fills your entire being, calm, steady, radiant. You are no longer chasing success. You are success. You are no longer begging for abundance. You are abundance. Rest in that knowing. The universe has heard every prayer. Tomorrow will meet you in miracles. Sleep deeply, beautiful soul. You are safe to rest. You are ready to rise wealthy in every way.